Eggs and pasta. I bet you've never made a recipe like this before. Let's start by adding 8 ounces of pasta to a pot of boiling water. Let it cook for 10 minutes, then drain and set aside. In a bowl, crack 8 eggs and beat them well. Everyone, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and your whole family are going to love it too. And before I forget, tell me if you have a favorite eggs and pasta recipe. I'd love to hear about it. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix everything together until fully combined. This will add flavor and make the final dish soft and creamy. Next, pour the egg mixture over the pasta. Add 1 chopped tomato and 1 chopped onion to give it that amazing flavor. Toss in 2 tablespoons of parsley and 3 cloves of garlic, finely minced. Trust me, this pasta is going to be delicious. Now mix everything together really well so we can get all those great flavors into our egg pasta. Oh, and before I forget, let me know what city you're watching from so I can give you a special shout out. Today's shout out goes to Janet Goss from Monterey, California. I'm so glad you're enjoying our recipes. Looking good. Let's move on and finish up this tasty dish. In the same pan, add about 3 ounces of oil, or just however much you like. Then we're adding our secret ingredient, 1 tablespoon of paprika. This is what takes the flavor of our pasta to the next level. Keep it on low heat and stir gently until the paprika turns a nice golden color. Perfect! It's golden and ready. Now it's time to pour in our pasta mixture. Use a spatula to mix everything together until the eggs are fully cooked and the other ingredients are sautéed. Eggs and pasta is a classic dish that brings together simplicity and flavor. And the spices we added give it that extra special touch. After a little time on low heat, stirring so it doesn't burn at the bottom, the pasta should look like this. See how the eggs cooked and absorbed the paprika? It gives the dish such a rich color and flavor. I made this for some friends and they loved it so much. They asked me to share it with you. Look how good that looks. So tasty. It's delicious. Enjoy.